People are the most important part of our business. That's why we work so hard to provide great service. Here's an exciting example of a 5-star experience we're happy to share right now. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. We appreciate you stopping by and watching our video. We're happy to answer any questions you might have. We're happy to help you anytime.